Hello friends, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video, you're going to learn how to download and install free PDF file reader for Windows, step-by-step tutorial. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can download and install free PDF file reader for Windows. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to create a new address bar. I'm going to click on plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then I will have to head over to my address bar right here. So what you need to type is free PDF reader file EPUB. Then you press enter key on your keyboard. So the next thing you want to do is to scroll down and you download this one right here. Click on this link right here. And you see this one right here. This is the link you need to click. Download the latest version for free. So click on that. So after you click on that, it's going to prepare your download folder right here, just like what you see on the screen right here. So after a successful download, so let's see how we can run the setup on our Windows PC. Okay, so you have to head over to your download folder. So right here, here is the setup file. What you need to do is to press enter key on your keyboard to run the setup. So the next thing you need to do is to click on OK. Then you click on next. Then at the point here, this is the last stage, just click on run. Then right here, you need to click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Then make sure you uncheck the quick launch shortcut. Uncheck on that. Then you click on next. Then finally right here, click on install. So at this point here, you have to uncheck this one right here and then click on finished. So it's going to launch the PDF reader. So you can go to file and you go to open. You can select any of the PDF file and then you click on open. Boom. So here you have it. So this is where you can zoom in or zoom out and you read your PDF offline or for free. So you can see the quality still remain. So this is how you can download and install free PDF reader step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye.